Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings so you can remove the account directly. This avoids deleting mail on the server unintentionally. Once done, tap Mail or Passwords and Accounts depending on iOS version. You need the specific email address visible in the list. Make sure it's the one you intend to delete. If you're signed into multiple accounts, note which account holds contacts or calendars you want to keep. This step prevents accidental data loss and sets you up for the removal process. You now tap the specific account and review synced data, mail, contacts, calendars, notes, because toggling them off preserves chosen items without deleting the whole account. Once you're certain, scroll down and tap Delete Account. iOS asks for confirmation, so read the prompt. Confirming removes the account and its local mail from the iPhone, but generally leaves server copies intact for a map/exchange. If it's an iCloud account, additional steps appear. Follow the prompts to avoid losing iCloud-only content. After deletion, restart your iPhone to clear caches and ensure mail refreshes. This finalizes removal across apps. If the account still appears, check Settings Profiles for device profiles that reinstall accounts or sign out of iCloud if the address is linked. Make sure to remove saved passwords under Settings Passwords to prevent auto-re-add. If messages reappear, verify server-side settings via webmail and, if needed, change the account password to disrupt automatic reconnection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.